ready?
This is the first day of the KOF 97 event. Free tokens that I got from the daily rewards prior to the KOF 97 event. I will do daily one times draw because I want to have a 2 KOF hero. Hopefully I get Terry Bogard and my Shiranui because I do play Masha and Paquito. Since this is the day one, I'll use the free tokens. Then I'll do one times draw of 112. Okay. So second day of draw, April 25, 2024. Okay, new skin. Okay. So third day of one times draw. So it's April 26, 2024. Okay. So it's now April 27, 2024, and it's now the first phase of the bingo token. So let's claim this all. Okay, we have 12 bingo tokens. For the remaining 4 bingo tokens, we need to spend 250 diamonds for that. We now have 12 bingo tokens, so let's spend it 10 times. Oh. Who's this? Okay, retail, okay. Atlas, okay. Okay, confirm. We need to spend the bingo tokens 1 times. Candy. Okay. Let's spend the 1 times 112 diamonds. Okay. Let's claim this. For we have spent 100 diamonds. So we got now 2 tokens for bingo KOF 97. So let's spend these 2 bingo tokens. Okay, carry. Confirm. So let's another one. Fair. Nice. Okay, so it's April 28, 2024. Let's draw the 1 times 50% discount. So my 20th draw. Oh, hopefully we'll get 30 draws only. So let's get back to, so we got free tokens, bingo tokens. Okay, let's claim this. Okay, we needed to spend 16 diamonds to get this 2 bingo tokens. So let's spend here. Okay, so let's spend 1 more. Okay, we can claim now the 2 bingo KOF 97 token. So we now have 4 free bingo tokens. So let's do draw 1 times. Another. Steady my or kill. Another. What? Who's this? Mini star. Okay, confirm. So let's get another final bingo tokens. Okay, confirm. confirm. So let's draw April 29, 2024. 1 times 112 diamonds. August 30, 2024. 1 times discounted draw. Let's go. Okay. It's May 1, 2024. Let's draw 1 times at discounted diamonds. 112. 7th draw. So it's May 2, 2024. So we will do 1 times draw, 112 diamonds. So this will be our 28th draw. May 3, 2024. This is my 29th draw. Let's draw the 30th draw. Oh, wow. After drawing the 30th draw, I got extra bingo token. So let's draw this. Let's draw the discounted draw 1 time. Our 32nd draw. May 6, 2024. Let's do 1 times draw, 112 diamonds. Today is May 7, 2024. Let's draw 1 times discounted draw, 112. Wow. So it's May 8, 2024. This will be the 35th draw. Yeah. Okay. It's May 9, 2024, and this will be my 36th draw. It's May 10, 2024. This will be our 37th draw. Okay. So it's May 11 and it's the second phase of the KOF. So I've already recharged 250 diamonds. So this will be my 38th draw. So let's do 1 times draw to get our 100 diamonds recharge token. Okay, so this will be my 39th draw. Oh, nice. Beleric, nice. Okay. So let's get our bingo tokens. So we'll get these 250 diamond spends. We will get that tomorrow. Okay, so we got 13 bingo tokens. So this will be the 40th draw. I'm hoping that we get Terry Bogart or Mai. Hopefully this will be a 40th draw. Terry. Fuck! No! This will be a 50 draw. Goodness. Let's do 10 times draw. And hopefully we get Terry. Hopefully we will not get to draw 60 draw. Okay, Gord. 1-1, okay. Nice Kimi. Okay. 50th draw. What? This will be a 60 draw. My God. My God. I'm the unluckiest person in this draw. It's May 12, 2024. Turn. Another one. So this will be our 53rd draw. Okay, confirm. So let's draw the 1 times 112 to get the 2 bingo tokens. 54th draw. So let's claim this. Okay. Let's draw the 2 bingo tokens. Confirm. Confirm. So this will be my 57th draw. 1 times draw. Okay, skip. So it's May 14, 2024, and this will be my 58th draw. This will be my 59th draw. So let's draw 1 times, 59th draw. Okay, new skin, nice. So it's May 16, 2024, and today is the 60th draw. As you can see, this is 60th draw. Let's do the final and 60th draw.
Young as I am, I could guard the Empire with my life.
Whiteboard, okay. Terry Bogart, Terry Bogart. Terry, I think this is Terry. Hopefully this is Terry. Oh my! It's my, okay. Okay. I really hope. Okay. I really hope I get Terry, but my is okay. So the total CP spent for 23 days, it costs 3,076 diamonds. So the amount of that in Philippine peso is 2,345 or $40.75. So I got my diamonds from a discounted shop. So if you want a discounted diamond, get the diamonds from a discounted shop. There you go for the KOF 97 bingo draws. I hope that you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials, DIY tutorials, key mapping tutorials, reviews, and other contents. That's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.